Okay, question 1. So dy dx, it's a simple bit of differentiation. So we're multiplying by the power of x, which would give us 2/3 times 3 is 2, and then dropping the power down to x squared. Again, multiply by the 2 gives us -7. Power goes down to the power of 1. When you've got a power of 1, you just drop the x because it's power 0, which equals 1 anyway, and then we just drop any normal numbers. So that's your 2 marks there. Part B, find the range of values of x for which y is decreasing. So y is decreasing means that the gradient is going to be less than 0. It's going to be negative, so it's going to be travelling in that direction in some way. So in order to do that, we need to find out when it's equal to 0 and then consider the curve for the gradient function, which is going to be like that. So when we get the solutions, it's going to be this zone in the middle because all of this is giving us an answer below 0. So therefore, the gradient will be below 0 and negative. So to factorize if we make it equal to 0, and then we're looking to factorize. So to factorize something with a coefficient of x squared, if I multiply the 2 by the 4, that gets me -8. And I think about the factors of 8. I've got 1 and 8, and the difference between them, because we've got a negative, is 7. So we want the difference is 7, not the 2 times 4 one. So then if I say, right, 2x squared minus 8x plus 1x is going to make the -7x minus 4 equals 0. And then it's single bracket factorization for those two parts of the expression. So 2x goes, x times into 2x squared minus 4. And then I've got x minus 4, so that's my bracket. I'm going to have to times that by 1 to keep it the same. So my factorization becomes 2x minus 4. So, no, it doesn't. It becomes 2x plus 1, and the other bracket x minus 4. And then that means that 2x plus 1 equals 0, or x minus 4 equals 0, meaning that x must either be -1/2, take 1 across and divide by 2, or x equals 4. But we're actually looking at this range here, so we're actually saying the range is going to be when x is bigger than -1/2 and smaller than 4.